In this video, I'll be sharing with you these amazing scholarship opportunities available in New Zealand you shouldn't miss. It is open to all international students pursuing their bachelor's, master's, or PhD studies. I would also be sharing other scholarship possibilities to explore in New Zealand. So please watch this video till the end so that you don't miss out on important details. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and friends. University of Auckland is the university in New Zealand that is offering this wonderful scholarship opportunity to international students for their bachelor's, master's, or PhD studies. So once you're on this website, all you have to do is to click on study, and here you can see international students, and you would click on the scholarship loans and funding to see what the scholarship is all about. Here is extensive range of scholarship for international students that are ready to enroll for the first time in the semester to 2023. And this is the quick facts about the scholarship. Up to 300 scholarships will be awarded, and up to 20,000 New Zealand dollars would be given to each awardee, and is open to new full-time students at undergraduate or postgraduate level. And the opening date is 9th of March and it closes on the 20th of April. And it's being offered to international students that are from India, Vietnam, and Southeast Asia. So this particular extensive international scholarship is being offered to India, Vietnam, and Southeast Asia. To be able to take advantage of this opportunity, you have to first of all apply for study admission in this University, Auckland. And during the process of filling this application form in the additional information, then you would see the various scholarships that is applicable to you, and in that way you would then click on them and select the particular one you want. Before we click on this button to apply for admission, let's see what they have High India Achiever Scholarship, which is up to 20,000 New Zealand dollar, and it covers tuition fees for new international students. And this is the apply button. And they also have the Auckland Asian High Achiever Scholarship. This is up to 10,000 towards tuition. They also have Vietnam Excellence Scholarship. They also have International Student Excellence Scholarships. So these are the various scholarships that they have. And for us to start, the first thing we have to do is to click on the apply for admission. Also, when I click on scholarship loan and funding, I want to quickly show us something. It has also, you can search by undergraduate scholarship, postgraduate scholarship. They also have doctoral scholarship, development scholarship, country specific scholarship. So they have various scholarships. You can search by your degrees, or if you have a specific one. For example, when I click on development scholarship, you can see that they have Mainaki New Zealand scholarship, and they also have Asian Development Bank Japan scholarship program. So they have various scholarships that you could look through and apply to whichever one that you are meeting the requirements. For the sake of this video, I'm going to click on undergraduate scholarships, and here you can see the various scholarships that they would give for undergraduate students. So they have various scholarships for those that are undergraduate students. Now to apply for study, you click on study here and you come to study option, and it brings you study option for international students. And here it says the university offers more than 140 programs. Now you click on undergraduate study for international students. It brings you to this page where you would now have to select what you want to study. And here you would click on find a study option, and automatically you come down here to explore the various study options that they have. I'm going to click on science and mathematics. In science and mathematics, you can see that it's showing only 5 out of 36 results. And I'm going to select Bachelor of Advanced Science Honors. When you scroll down, you can already see the apply button, but before then you look through. This is duration 4 years. This is undergraduate program, and you see the program overview. Please do well to go through each of these tabs. This is the entry requirements, and here you will select your your degree is from outside New Zealand. And at this point, it says select your country or your region. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select India. And it tells me what I need to have. So this is what is a requirement that you need to have before you can make these applications. For semester 2, the application closing date is 4th of July. So you have the opportunity to apply to this program until the 4th of July. One of the entry requirements for international students is English language requirement. It says you must meet English language requirements, and this must be met through an approved English language test or prior study in the English medium. You might not necessarily take the English language test if you already studied previously in English. Give it a thumbs up if you're getting value from it. Also share it with your family and friends so that they can also take advantage of this wonderful opportunity. If this is more like what you want, all you then have to do is click on the apply now button. It brings you to this page for the application. It says start your application for admission. And let's start. It brings you to this page where you will then log in if you already logged in before, or you would create a new account, register for new. So I'm going to click on this. After you might have logged in, it will bring you to enter your demographics here. And here you would put in all your addresses. And once everything is correct, you click on next. And here it welcomes you, and yeah, you can just close this. Here you can already see it has already assigned me a student ID. Hi Sylvia. So this is it, and I have basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tabs to go through this application. And so you can see now it brought me to the second one, the academic history. So basically here you're going to be going through answering all these questions as honest as possible so that they could understand your case. And once you're done, you click on next, it will bring you to the next tab, and so you continue. But if for any reason you want to come back later, you can also click on save and continue and exit. And here you can automatically see that it brought you back to this page. Here you can see the expiry date of this application, so please do want to complete it before it expires. And if you want to come back again, you can click on continue to bring you back to the page, or you want to select a new application, you want to apply to another university, to another course, you click on new application. And basically I think this is going to be pretty simple, and you continue. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned about other scholarship options that are available in University of Auckland, and here I will just click on applications that are open now. And once you're on this page, you would see that this page gives you various scholarships that are open and the ones that are closing this week. For example, these ones are closing this week, and when you scroll down, you would see the ones that are open. And now it says these ones are now open. So if you want to know more about this ones, you can click on this link here, and yeah, just like that you go through. There are so many scholarships that are here. It's a whole lot. I cannot talk about all of this. So this is why I decided to show us this particular link so that you can explore as many as possible and apply to whichever one that you meet the requirements. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.